Hello guys, today we are going to see IFB AC is just a copycat of TCL. Alright, so let's check it. Now this is IFB AC. You can clearly see it's looking at TCL. For proof, let's go to this tab. Now see this. You can clearly say that IFB copies TCL models. I don't know if TCL provide OEM or IFB copies it. I don't know why. Oh my god, look at this. Every outdoor unit are just TCL copycats. See, even the indoor unit also looks like this. TCL. See this. I have a doubt that IFB is Indian company, but I don't know why they copies TCL models. See, see the outdoor designs. Copycat of TCL. So guys, when you see IFB AC it's just a copycat of TCL. So that's all for today's video.